Sync is Ford's infotainment system that handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle connectivity. Sometimes it can freeze, show a black screen, or become unresponsive. Resetting Sync can solve these issues. There are two main types: a reboot, which is a quick restart that clears temporary glitches without erasing your data, and a factory reset, which erases all your personal data and settings, restoring the system to its original factory state. For black screen issues, a specific button combination or software reinstallation is often required. Always consult your Ford manual or a dealer for complex problems. To reboot Sync 4, press and hold the power button on the touch screen for 10 seconds until it shuts down, then restart the vehicle. For a factory reset, you'll need a USB drive formatted to FAT32 with the latest Sync software from Ford's website. Insert the USB, then on the Sync screen, select Settings, General, Master Reset, and follow the prompts. This will erase all your data. For black screens, try holding the power button and volume up buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, reinstall the Sync software via USB or contact a Ford dealer. Remember, OTA updates are now common, potentially fixing issues without manual resets.